Alright, good morning guys. Welcome to our last day out here in Bangkok. And it's a hot day. It's so hot, it's so humid. Coincidentally, of course, our last day in Bangkok is a hot day. And today we're heading out to MBK Mall, which is one of the premier malls out here in Bangkok. It's an older mall, but it has over 2,000 shops. And I have a special guest who's gonna be with me for the next 2 weeks. I'm sure you might recognize him from my very first vlogs. He's an intern, he's the man, he is my model, he does everything, let's just say. And here he is.
Is that the intern?
David Constantinoff. He flew out here all the way from California, and now he's gonna be in Thailand with me for the next 2 weeks. I set up some awesome hotels, awesome resorts over the next 2 weeks, and we're gonna be running around Thailand. How's everything been so far? Your first full day today?
So awesome. I love Thailand. The food, the people, I just can't wait. And now I'm gonna go shopping with Sea Lounge Travel.
And yeah, right now we have a 33-minute trip out to MBK Mall. Cup and cup. So it's like 12 noon right now. We are super hungry. We're gonna be hanging out at MBK for the next few hours. First, we're gonna get some food, and then yeah, we're gonna meet up with the crew for a pretty special, awesome collaboration set up for tonight. Looks like there's like a little market over here. Some mango sticky rice. Yummy.
You've been here before, right?
No, this is my first time.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, heck yeah. We're both MBK virgins.
Yes. Let's go shopping, let's get some food, cute clothes.
Cute clothes, oh god. All right, and we made it into MBK. So a lot of the locals like MBK, a lot of the tourists love MBK. There's over 2,000 shops here. There's a lot of like cheap gadgets, cheap electronics. If you guys are looking for some cheap stuff and some good shopping, come out to MBK. But right now we're on the hunt for our food. Wherever it's at, we gotta find like a directory or something right now. Yeah. There's like a good amount of people. And it's a Tuesday too. All right, so we found a directory. We found the place that we're supposed to get to. We're trying to get to at least. It's on floor number 7. This place has 8 floors, so this mall is huge. Wow. Look at that. Oh my God, after hunting, we get to fill our bellies. Shabushi. 2? Oh yes. This is pretty awesome. So 419 baht, yeah, all you can eat. We get an hour and 15. I don't think we need that long though.
I'm gonna destroy this.
But they basically make all the food back there. They put it on the conveyor belt and it just rotates. And you get to go ham and eat food. You ready for this?
Oh my God.
Oh God, confirmed. They're putting the hot water here. Everything is all you can eat for 419 baht. That's equivalent to like 14 bucks US. Oh my God, I might black out. This is food porn at its max. That was plate number 1. Done. Dude, you look like you're in pain a second ago.
So much Japanese food.
I think we ate this sushi way too fast. The first like 3-4 plates were pure sushi, like 6-7 pieces. Now I'm getting some ice cream. If you know me, I love my ice cream. Nom 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 nom.
I'm digging it.
Oh yeah, this is not too bad. Oh my God. Oh my God, we ate so much food. There's a place like that close to our hotel, but we wanted to check out MBK Mall, and how is that food?
Delicious. I'm ready to throw up and do round 2 again.
Oh my God. In America, like that much food, I think an all-you-can-eat place is like 25, 30 bucks. This was 13 bucks per person, so the total came out to $26 for both of us.
And ice cream included.
And ice cream included, like David said. You cannot beat that. We're gonna rock around the mall right now. We're gonna do a little shopping. We might hit up the arcade because it looks like this floor has a huge arcade. And yeah, we'll see what else MBK has in store for us.
Oh damn, it's dope.
City. David, show him up. So David might get a suit. Over here you can get a suit for like 110 bucks American, which is not bad. It's custom tailored, custom fit. I got like a suit jacket in Vietnam last year for like 70 bucks, like a really nice blazer, custom fit. It's like beige, orange on the inside, orange silky, super nice. So I recommend if you're out in Southeast Asia, definitely check out the suit shops. Tried a lot of things for cheap out here. Going from 6 to 5. I finally got a lens protector. Oh yeah, always use protection. I'm talking about like lens protector, bro. Come on, man. For 180 baht, you get a little protection. So this is the 5th floor. It looks like they have camera, everything. Holy, David, they say size matters.
Way too small.
Oh yeah, this is all like camera on the floor. Kind of like this. Hey man, you know where I can get some ice cream? Hello? Hello? I don't know this guy. Let's go check out the 4th floor. Back out to the heat. All right, we've been in the mall for way too long. We're literally roaming around just saying, massage, massage. Oh my God, getting delirious.
Yes, I'm on right now.
So now we left the mall. We still have about 4 hours to the next spot that we have to go to tonight. I'm super stoked for tonight. And yeah, we're back out in the Thailand, Bangkok heat. We're either gonna look for some elephant pants, because that's what David's looking for. I figured it might be a little more expensive at MBK Mall. We're gonna check the streets. Maybe there's some street shops around. And maybe even find a good massage place. I'm a little sore from the last few nights. My back's a little sore. But yeah, we're gonna find a good massage place, hopefully. Find some elephant pants right before tonight. Massage!
Oh yes, I would like one.
Oh, let's go find one. Kapungka. Oh, great success. We didn't find elephant pants, but he paid 250 baht. I don't want to get hit by a car. He paid 250 baht, got a massage. Thai massage, I paid 450 baht, which is $14, and I got an oil massage. Essentially an oil massage is like a Balinese massage where it's oil, long, hard strokes. Yeah, Thai massage is essentially a lot of stretching.
Deep
so
muscle.
yeah, a lot of
tissue,
deep muscle, deep tissue. I'm kind of into like the heavy, hard, long strokes with oil. I miss those Balinese massages. They're actually cheaper in Bali too. Out here it's 14 bucks. I pay 5 bucks in Bali. But we still have about 3 hours right now. I'm feeling a little sleepy, so we're gonna do a little shopping right now, try to find those elephant pants, and then we're gonna head to tonight's dinner collab. David, wow. Oh man. She can't hold it in. She's dying. All right, we made it to River City Shopping Complex, and today I have a partnership for 4 with the Chao Phraya cruise. It's a dinner cruise. We have about 15 minutes till we check in. Our dinner cruise is with the Chao Phraya. It starts from 7 to 9 p.m. tonight. We actually just bought some matching t-shirts, as you see. So this is our dinner cruise t-shirt outfit. 100 baht, 100 baht. These were $3, these banana shirts. Perfect. Perfect. So this is my +3. I got Joy, I got Rachel right over here, and I got David. And we're gonna get our tickets right now. We're gonna embark on our cruise dinner. So this is a Thai traditional dance right before you get on the cruise. They do a little dance right over here. All right, so now we're boarding our dinner cruise. This is gonna be passing some of Bangkok's most famous landmarks, from the Temple of Dawn to the Grand Palace, all the way to the Rama 8 suspension bridge, and this is gonna be awesome. Oh, thank you, look at that, beautiful. This is so nice, holy smokes. Hello, 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 Sawadee-ka. And this is our dinner. Perfect. So we're gonna be passing some amazing places. We have a dinner buffet set up for us, and yeah, let's get this cruise on.
The losers that lost it, the lucky bastards get to meet us.
They even hooked us up with a bottle of wine. This is such an amazing experience so far. And this is the Rama 8 suspension bridge. And we're passing the Temple of Dawn right now. Oldest temple in Bangkok. Absolutely beautiful. Jack! What is good? Let's not talk too much.
Baby, come on, be my baby, come on. I'm in love with your body. All the songs that I play it's getting ill, it's getting sick.
Kapun Kap, thank you.
So much fun.
That was so much fun.
Food, wine, and dancing. What can you ask for? Oh, and you on a cruise.
I highly recommend Chao Prague Cruise. I'm gonna put it right over here and I'm gonna put their link below. It was such an amazing experience. Food, dancing, they hooked us up with some wine and yeah, this was such a fun night. We're gonna head back to the hotel. It's already 9 o'clock, but we gotta head back to the hotel and pack because tomorrow we're going island hopping. All right, what an incredible day it's been today in Bangkok. Today is officially the last day in Bangkok before we head island hopping tomorrow morning. So tomorrow we have a flight, early flight to Hat Yai, and we're gonna be heading to Koh Lipe, which is considered the Maldives of Thailand. It looks absolutely beautiful. The cerulean blue water, the aqua blue water, whatever you wanna call it, it is absolutely beautiful. And we're staying at one of the best, supposedly the nicest resorts on Koh Lipe, so I'm super stoked for that. And today was an incredible day. Tomorrow we start the island hopping. It's been an awesome day from checking out MBK Mall, heading out to one of the most awesome dinner cruises I've ever been on. Highly recommend them. I'm gonna put their information at the bottom below so you can check them out. And yeah, if you're in Bangkok, definitely check out that dinner cruise. Definitely do some shopping. It's been an incredible month and a half in Bangkok. I'm gonna be in Bangkok for another day or two at the end of this month after island hopping before I head to a special location. More for vacation, which I'll tell you guys about in another vlog. But for now, we're gonna get packing. We have an early flight. And yeah, we're gonna be heading to Koh Lipe tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Comment down below if you guys have any questions. If you guys have been on a dinner cruise or anything at all, comment down below. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you guys are notified for the next vlog. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a good night. We need to hit the hay. Cheers, guys.